Okay, so situation. By the way, this is taken from November 2024 board exam. No, given the data of a circular spiral column, you are given the diameter, concrete FC prime, steel strengths for longitudinal bar and for um, spiral, no, for the ties. And then concrete shear stress is already given. Maximum clear spacing of the spiral is limited to 75 mm and minimum clear spacing is limited to 25. You are also given the minimum steel ratio of the spiral. No? Okay, so dito dalawa yan. Di ba kadalasan kapag binigyan tayo ng dalawa or more na formula, mamimili tayo nung either mas malaki or mas maliit. So tatandaan nyo kapag sa code in general, kapag minimum yan, tas maraming formula, ang hinahanap mo is yung largest. No? Kapag naman baliktad, maximum kunwari yung formula na yon, tas marami sila. Ang hahanapin mo naman is yung smallest. Baliktad siya. No? Anyway, in this case, we choose the least of this one, if of these two. Okay, that will serve as our minimum steel ratio. Anyway, number one, if the column is subject to shear force VU equals 680 kilonewtons, what is the required center-to-center spacing of the 10 millimeter spiral? Okay, so for number one, take note, you're given the VU. Okay, and tama ba na this should not exceed the capacity? Okay, the design capacity of our shear for this spiral column. Now, in terms of the nominal strength, ang nominal strength natin, kung tatandaan, combination niya ng concrete tsaka ng steel. Okay? Tapos itong concrete, okay, may formula yan na galing sa NSCP. Dalawa nga yun, yung isa ay kapag subject to flexure, yun yung 0.17 square root of FC prime BD, no? Tapos yung isa naman kapag subject to axial compression, yun naman yung medyo mahaba ng kaunti, no? 1 plus NU over 14 AG, something like that. But in this case, binigay na kasi to. Binigay na to. Dahil binigay na yan, edi yung concrete, ano natin, instead na gagamitin natin yung formula is kung ano yung stress ng concrete, shear stress ng concrete, multiply lang natin ng BD. Okay? So again, no, dun sa formula na 0.17 square, example lang to, BD, no. Itong part na to, yan yung ano, stress. Okay? So in this case, ito na yun. Hindi mo na siya kailangan gamitan ng formula. Okay? Dahil binigay na sa mismong problem. Alright, so we can now calculate. Another thing that we have to note, dahil ito ay spiral, circular, no? Circular siya eh. Okay, so dahil circular siya, nasa code, let's say ito yung mga main reinforcements natin. Nakalagay sa code na ang effective depth ng circular columns, no, is 0.8 of the diameter. Okay, so hindi siya kagaya nung hanapin mo extreme compression fiber tapos kukunin mo yung steel, no? Hindi ganoon. So it is accepted to be 80% of the effective depth. Okay? Kasi ito namang binato will serve as your diameter. Okay? So ayan. So therefore, we can now calculate yung shear force, nominal shear force provided by the concrete. That is 0.99. Okay? Ang diameter ng spiral, ito 800. Okay, tapos kunin natin yung effective depth. So 0.8 ng 800, 640. Okay, so 640. So this is in ano, Newton. Yes, this is in Newton kasi megapascal to eh. Okay, ito, megapascal. So that means divide natin ng 1,000 para maging kilo Newton. And that gives us 506.88 kilonewtons. Okay? So that is the nominal shear force provided by the concrete. Tapos tinatanong sa atin, center to center spacing, di ba? So dito natin kukunin yon. Okay? And to calculate that, equate lang natin na yung VU, equate natin sa phi VN. Okay? But VN is equal to VC plus VS. So solving for VS, you will get VU over phi minus VC. Okay? So in this case, ang phi natin ay kapag shear is 0.75, no? So we have 680 over 0.75 minus VC, which is 506.80. So that gives us 399.79 kilonewton. So that is the shear force to be carried by the spiral or the steel. Okay? And then take note that VS can be calculated as AV, FYV, effective depth over spacing. And from here, we can solve for the spacing. Okay? So ano yung AV? So nakalagay rin ito sa code na kapag spiral po, no, kapag spiral yan, di ba, ito yung spiral reinforcement natin dyan. Yan yung spiral reinforcement natin. Nakalagay na yan sa code na kapag daw spiral or circular yung column, yung number of legs that we will consider is dalawa, no? Two. Kasi ang crack niyan, ang explanation niya, ang crack kasi niya yung paganto eh. So, ibig sabihin, at dalawa yung legs na nakokontra or tutulong. Okay, so dalawa. No? So, we have 2 times pi over 4 times 10 mm spiral, 10 squared. FYV, so ang FYV natin ay 413. And then effective depth is 640 over, so di ba, cross multiply ko lang ito eh. Cross multiply doon, sa to divide mo dito. So ito, VS na to. So we have 399.79. Just make sure to convert this to Newton. Kasi megapascal tong 413, no? And if you calculate that, we will have okay, that gives us 103.85 millimeters. Okay? So therefore, we can just round that to 100. Take note, ang spacing guys, nira-round down natin, no? Hindi natin yan nira-round up. Kasi ang goal natin, kumbaga ito na yung pinakamalaking spacing na pwede dito sa criteria ng shear force, no? However, if you look at the choices, ayan, meron ditong 100, no? But we have to be careful. May binigay na provision si examiner na yung maximum clear spacing daw ay hanggang 75 lang. Although hindi ito comparable dito kasi ito ay center to center spacing to eh. Okay, itong clear spacing, no, ibig sabihin, ano yan, bali kung ganito yung spiral mo, kanyari, ganyan yung spiral mo. Pag sinabi mong center to center, galing sa center ng spiral, papunta sa center ng spiral. Ito yung center to center spacing. Okay, pero yung sinasabi niya na clear, ibig sabihin sa ilalim lang, tapos sa ibabaw. Ayan, yan yung clear spacing. Okay? So basically, ang relationship lang ng center to center spacing sa clear ay ibabawas mo lang yung diameter ng spiral. Kasi dito sa ibabaw, radius, tapos dito sa ilalim ay radius din. So ibabawas mo lang. So ibig sabihin, this translates into a clear spacing equivalent to, so gusto ko lang i-check no kung sa maximum ba ay pasok siya. is equivalent to 100 minus ang diameter ng spiral ay 10, that gives us 90. Okay, which is over the maximum. Okay? Dahil lagpas yan ng maximum na sinabi, ibig sabihin, we cannot use this. Okay? We cannot use this. Alright? So, ano yung kailangan natin gamitin? Ang gagamitin natin ngayon is kung ano lang yung sinabi niya na maximum. So, ibig sabihin, yung S na gagamitin would be 75 plus 10 mm. Kumbaga, pag kinonvert natin to sa center-to-center spacing, so, sagad na pala itong 85 mm. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yan yung pipiliin nating sagot. Alright? Dahil, again, itong 100 na nakuha natin, safe ito, na ito na yung pinaka-safe pagdating sa criteria na to. Sa criteria na kailangan kargahin ng bakal or ng spiral. Kaya lang, nung chinek natin, lumagpas kasi tayo sa maximum na provision, which is 75 lang, yung clear spacing. So, ibig sabihin, to make it adequate with the provision, kailangan natin sundin na hanggang 75 mm lang yung clear spacing. Hence, ililimit na lang natin yung spacing to 85, which is mas safe pa nga, no? Dahil, ibig sabihin, mas malalapit yung spacing ng mga spiral. Okay? Kaya this is the correct answer, no? That's letter A. Kumbaga, itong problem na to is I think, no, parang trap sa atin ni Ma'am Praxi. Okay? So kung masyado kang nakafocus sa procedure, hindi ka nag-iisip masyado, pwedeng at saka hindi ka nagbabasa, no? Pwede kang matrap dito sa item na ito. Okay? Next, number 2. What is the minimum diameter of the spiral if the center-to-center spacing is kept at 50 mm? So ngayon naman, ang kailangan natin kunin ay yung minimum diameter. So guys, yung VU na to is para lang sa number 1 ha. Pakaisipin nyo, VU dito, 680 din. So dito, medyo may pagka-vague kaunti, no? Yung ano niya, yung statement niya kasi parang gusto niya yung center to center spacing 50 pero ano yung minimum diameter na po pwede, no? Well, kapag ang inisip natin dito ay ito ulit yung S-max, no? Medyo malayo yung sagot doon sa mga choices eh kasi kung isipin mo, 'di ba? Kung isasagad mo yung spacing sa 75 na clear, okay? So dapat equal yan sa 50 minus yung diameter, which is, ang lalabas dito is negative. Na kung dito ka magbabase, okay, kung dito ka magbabase. Kapag dito ka naman magbabase sa minimum, no, minimum, so ang lalabas naman dito is 25. Okay, which is wala rin sa choices, no? Well, hindi kasi yun yung gustong parang i-ano dito, no? Gustong gawing punto nung statement, nung problem statement. So dito, ang nakikita ko na pwedeng pinapagawa, no, ni Ma'am Praxi would be to use the steal ratio, no? Itong minimum steal ratio. Okay? So, how do we do that? So, una, um, dito sa steal ratio, meron ditong term na gross area tsaka area of the core, no? Tapos, syempre, yung gross area, dependent lang naman yan sa diameter. Okay, diameter nitong um, circular column. Tapos yung core naman, ganun din, no, nakadepende lang din yun dun. Okay? And then, from there, we would solve for the minimum steal ratio. Kasi gusto niya, ano eh, minimum diameter. So, parang papasok sa isip natin, siguro, para makuha natin yung minimum diameter, kailangan i-minimize natin yung steal ratio. Okay? Pero ano ba muna ang steal ratio ng spiral? Okay? So, ang spiral steal ratio is defined as the volume of the spiral to the volume of the core. Okay? Volume of the concrete core. Okay? And may formula dyan. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, kabisado yung formula. Pero kung alam mo tong basic definition na ito, madali na yan. No? Sa ano ba ang volume ng spiral? So, well, kung itutuloy ko to, No? So, ang volume ng spiral, kasi di ba covered ito ng concrete, bali volume ng isang ano eh, isang spacing. Bali, di ba ito yung isang spacing natin. Okay? Bali volume mula dito, highlight ko na lang, mula dito hanggang dito, isang ikot, parang isang ikot, no? So ano ang volume ng bakal na 'yon, no? Bali ang volume ng bakal na 'yon is just yung area ng bakal times yung length nitong dilaw, no? Yung length nito, yung length niyan. So ano bang length niyan? Okay? So, well, although naka ano siya, naka parang spiral yung pagkaka-drawing niya, pero kung isipin mo, para lang yung ano, yung kumaga pabilog lang siya. Isang isang cycle is parang isang circle lang siya. Okay? So ibig sabihin, yung length niya is yung circumference lang ng circle. Okay? So kapag tumingin kasi tayo sa top view, para makikita lang natin, ganito lang eh. Ito lang yun, no? Okay, parang ito lang yun. Okay, so ano ang length niyan? So sabi ko nga, diameter lang nung netong ano, hindi ng ano hindi ng circular column, kundi diameter nito. Okay? And para makuha din diameter niyan, kunin natin yung radius. So galing sa gitna, papunta dito sa gilid, may radius 'yan. Okay, hindi sa gilid, I mean sa gitna ng spiral. So ang radius niyan would simply be yung kunin ko muna yung diameter ng core. No, yung diameter ng core is yung out to out. Ito yun, out to out na diameter. Yan yung tinatawag natin na diameter ng core. Okay? And basically, that is just yung diameter natin na 800 minus dalawang clear cover, no? Which is ang clear cover natin, by default naman yan is 40 mm. So 2 times 40. So that's why this is 720 mm. Yan yung diameter ng core. So kung gusto kong kunin yung radius, no, hindi lang siya basta kalahati, no, kundi dapat ibabawas natin itong diameter dito sa, I mean yung radius nitong bakal sa gilid, no? So I'm referring to this, papalakihin ko lang. Okay, so I'm referring to this from the center papunta dito. Yan. Okay? So tama ba na kung ito yung radius na tinutukoy ko, okay? So that is just equal to the this outer radius hanggang dito, outer. So kalahati ng ano core, bali radius ng core. Okay? So radius ng core minus half ng diameter ng spiral. Okay? Or if you want to define naman yung diameter ng spiral, ito. Okay? So diameter ng spiral or diameter nung nun, that is just twice nito. Okay? So 2RC minus DS. Okay? Or di ba yung 2RC, hindi yung diameter ng core. Ayan. Okay? Kaya yun yung magiging length ng spiral. So ibig sabihin yung volume ng spiral ngayon ay magiging yung area ng spiral, let's say yung area nito, nung cross section na yan, no? Times yung length nitong circumference. So pwedeng 2 pi r or pwedeng pi times diameter. So siguro gawin ko na lang dito is pi times diameter. So pi times yung diameter natin ito, diameter ng core minus diameter ng spiral over ano naman yung volume ng core concrete? So ang volume ng core concrete is simply yung volume lang nito. 'Di ba may concrete na nakapalibot dito? Yan. Yan. So yung volume lang ng concrete na yan. Okay, which is cylindrical lang naman, no? So dahil cylindrical lang yan, edi ano siya? Pi over 4 times diameter ng core square times yung spacing. Okay, so volume ng cylinder. No? So that is your spiral steel ratio. Okay? So, probably ito yung kabisado natin, ano? So, yung formula na yun. O di kaya, kasi ito pi, ano to eh, area ng spiral is pi over 4, diameter ng spiral squared, times pi, times diameter ng core minus diameter ng spiral over pi over 4, diameter ng core squared times spacing. So, yung iba, sinisimplify ito, kinakancel na lang yan. Kaya nangyayari dito, yung formula natin ng spiral um, steel ratio is ganito. Okay, so iba, minimemorize na to kung gusto nyo lang ha. Okay, pero galing lang yan dito ha. Okay, so anyway, dito makikita natin na meron ditong diameter ng spiral, which is yun yung hinahanap natin, no? Bali, ibig sabihin ganito, in order for me to minimize this diameter, kailangan minimum to. So dito ngayon papasok yung concept na, kaya pala binigay ito kasi pinapagamit yan. So kunin muna natin yung minimum spiral steel ratio, tapos gagamitin natin yun to solve for the minimum possible diameter that we have to use. Alright? So kunin natin. So let me just copy those formula sa kabilang side. Ito na lang. Okay, so minimum So kunin natin to. So 0.45 area gross. So gross area, ibig sabihin yung gross area nito. Yan. Which has a diameter of 800. So pi over 4, 800 squared over diameter ng area ng core. So ang area naman ng core is pi over 4, 720 yung diameter ng core. Minus 1, FC prime, 34, tapos yung FYV, 413. Okay, tapos ito naman, ganun din, 0.12 times FC prime over 413. Ayan. So, pipiliin lang natin yung smaller. So, kapitin ko muna. So, by the way, this is cancel. 0.45. So, that gives us 0.0069. 869 para, sorry. 869. Ito naman, ay 0.00988. Okay? So, as mentioned earlier, I think mali yung nasulat ko. No? Sabi ko pala, sabi ko kanina larger. So, nasulat ko least. No? So, kapag minimum, we choose the larger value. So, in this case, our minimum spiral steel ratio would be 0.00988. Okay? And from here, we can equate that to the spiral steel ratio to solve for the minimum diameter naman ng spiral. So we have 0.00988 is equal to pi, diameter ng spiral squared, diameter ng core, diameter ng spiral, over diameter ng core is 720 squared. Tapos yung spacing, sabi niya 50. And from here, we can solve for the diameter of the spiral. So that gives us 10.72. Okay? And from the choices, we will choose the next higher value. Hindi yung round down, ha? Kasi diameter ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, our best answer here would be letter B. No? So, we choose letter B. Okay? So, that's our answer. Next. Based on the minimum steel reinforcement requirement, what is the center-to-center spacing of the 10 mm spiral? Use concrete cover of 40. So ngayon naman, ang tinatanong ay spacing. So parang, ito pa rin yon. So bali, ito pa rin yung gagamitin natin. Kasi equate pa rin natin sa minimum. Sabi niya no? Dito sa last item. And we will resolve for the spacing naman. So, but this time, we will use 10 mm. Okay? So for number 3, we have 0.00988 equals pi 10 squared 720 minus 10 over 720 squared times spacing. And from here, we should be able to solve for the required spacing. Okay, and that gives us 43.55. Okay? And kapag spacing naman, we choose the smaller naman kasi we are talking about spacing. Doon naman tayo sa mas mababa. So, ibig sabihin, from the choices, meron doong 40 and that will be our answer. Okay? Ngayon, kung nalilito kayo kung kailan siya i-round up or i-round down, so tatandaan nyo lang, ito ay minimum. No, minimum na yan. So, kung iisipin natin, halimbawa, no, na ang ginamit mo 40, ang magiging steel ratio mo 0.01, which is above the minimum, which is okay. Pero pag pinili mo, let's say mas malaki sa 40, 50, ayan, kung mapapansin niyo ang naging steel ratio 0.008, which is smaller already ng minimum mo. So that's why we cannot answer yung higher value. Ganon din dito, kanina. Di ba kanina 50 yung spacing, tapos yung diameter na required dito ang hinahanap. Okay, nakuha natin 10.72. So kung halimbawa ni round down mo, ginawa mong 10, ang lalabas na steel ratio ay 0.0086. Again, mas mababa doon sa minimum. So hindi pa pwede yun. Kaya kailangan mo mag-round up. So that is 12. And pwede siya. Okay? So that's the idea. Alright, and that's how we solve this problem.